Good morning, everyone. Once again, this is Mom Crystalline Grace Espino, your Mathematics Grade 10 teacher. So for today, we're going to discuss arithmetic means. That is quarter 1, week 3, lesson 1. Arithmetic means terms between any two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. When three terms form an arithmetic sequence, the middle number is called the arithmetic mean between the other two. In the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 4 is the arithmetic mean between 2 and 6. 6 is the arithmetic mean between 4 and 8. We can also say that 4 and 6 are the arithmetic means between 2 and 8. Insert 3 arithmetic means between 3 and 23. Since we are required to insert 3 terms, then there will be 5 terms in all. Let a sub 1 is equals to 3, a sub 5 is equals to 23. We will insert a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4 as shown below. So inserting 3 arithmetic means between 3 and 23. First, we have to find the common difference. We have a sub 1 equals 3, a sub 5 equals 23, and equals 5, and the common difference is missing. Formula: a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times d. Then we substitute and simplify. We get 5. So our common difference is equals to 5. Now, in inserting arithmetic means, we have to add 5 from the first term. So 3 plus 5, that is equals to 8. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 13 plus 5 equals to 18. So the sequence is 3, 8, 13, 18, 23. Therefore, the arithmetic means are 8, 13, and 18. Insert 2 arithmetic means between 3 and 24. Solution: first, we have to find the common difference. So we have a sub 1 equals 3, a sub 4 equals 24, and is equals 4. So we have to find the common difference. The formula: we have a sub n equals to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Then we substitute and simplify. We'll get 7. So 7 is our common difference. A sub 2 is equals to 3 plus 7, that is 10. And a sub 3 equals 10 plus 7. So a sub 3 equals 17. The sequence is 3, 10, 17, 24. Therefore, the arithmetic means are 10 and 17. Insert 2 arithmetic means between 22 and 13. Again, we have to find the common difference. So we have a sub 1 equals 22, a sub 4 equals 13, and equals 4. the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Then we substitute and simplify. So the common difference is negative 3. Finding the arithmetic means or inserting two arithmetic means, we have a sub 2 is equals to 22 plus negative 3 equals 19. A sub 3 equals 19 plus negative 3 equals 16. The sequence is 22, 19, 16, and 13. Therefore, the arithmetic means are 19 and 16. We will now proceed with the sum of the terms of a given arithmetic sequence. Quarter 1, Week 3, Lesson 2. Sum of the terms of a given arithmetic sequence. Okay, so for example, a staircase is decorated with small balloons for a birthday reception. The top step has 4 balloons, and the number of balloons increases by 3 with each step downward. If there are 10 steps in all, how many balloons are needed to decorate the staircase? As you can see with our table of values, the number of steps, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then the number of balloons, for the first step, we have 4, and then it increases every step downward. So 4 plus 3 is equals to 7, and then plus 3, again, that is 10, plus 3, 13, plus 3, 16, and so on. So, if you add the balloons in the first step and all the balloons up to the 10th step or last step, there are 175 balloons. So you needed 175 balloons in order to decorate the stair. But what if we have to decorate the staircase that has 15 steps? That is arithmetic series. Given the arithmetic sequence 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25, find the sum of the first 4 terms. So we have to write 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 equals 50. The indicated sum of the terms of a sequence is called a series. Consider the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic sequence. The sum represented by S sub n is called arithmetic series. S sub n equals n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n is the formula in getting the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic sequence, where n is the number of terms, a sub 1 is the first term, and a sub 1 is the nth term. Let's go back with our first example. A staircase is decorated with small balloons for a birthday reception. The top step has 4 balloons, and the number of balloons increases by 3 with each step downward. How many balloons are needed if the staircase has 15 steps? In order to find the sum of the terms, we have to find first, or we have to determine first the 15th term. Find the value of 15th term by using the formula. We have a sub 15 is equals 4 plus the quantity of 15 minus 1 times 3. Then we simplify. A sub 15 equals 46. And then, find the sum of the first 15 terms. By using the formula, S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of A sub 1 plus A sub n. We substitute and simplify. S sub 15 equals 15 over 2 times 4 plus 46. S sub 15 equals 15 over 2 times 50. Then we get 750 divided by 2. The final answer is 375. So, we need 375 balloons for the decoration of a staircase with 15 steps. If the last term is unknown, we can use this formula. Again, our problem. How many balloons are needed if the staircase has 15 steps? So we're going to use the formula S sub n equals n over 2 times 2a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. And then we substitute. S sub 15 equals 15 over 2 times 2 times 4 plus the quantity of 15 minus 1 times 3. And then 15 over 2 times 8 plus 14 times 3. S sub 15 equals 15 over 2 times 8 plus 42. So we get 15 over 2 times 50. And then 750 over 2. The final answer is 375. So it is the same with our previous or with our formula used earlier. Another example. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic sequence 1, 5, 9, and 13. So, since the 20th term is unknown, we are going to use this formula. S sub n equals n over 2 times 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. And then we substitute and simplify. 20 over 2 times 2 times 1 plus 20 minus 1 times 4. And then we will get the final answer, 1,560 divided by 2. So the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic sequence is 780. Another example. Find the sum of all integers between 4 and 46 that are divisible by 5. Given a sub 1 equals 5, a sub n equals 45, d equals 5. The solution, find first the number of terms. So we have a sub 1, 5, and a sub n equals 45. But we don't know how many terms are there in the integers between 4 and 46. By using the formula of arithmetic sequence, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. We substitute and simplify. Then we will get 9 is equals n. So the number of terms is 9. Next, we solve for the sum of 9 terms of the given sequence. So, we have S sub n equals n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. S sub 9 equals 9 over 2 times the quantity of 5 plus 45. S sub 9 is equals to 9 over 2 times 50. S sub 9 equals 450 divided by 2. And then we get 225. The sum of all integers between 4 and 46 that are divisible by 5 is 225.